As sheriff, you would be the chief law enforcement officer of the parish. The parish consists of many multiple jurisdictions: Carencro, Scott, Dussault, Lafayette, Broussard, Youngsville, the UL Police Department, and of course the state police. One driving from Carencro to Broussard may be subject to stop by at least 6 different law enforcement agencies. What is your view on the way that law enforcement protection may be delivered most efficiently to the citizens, recognizing that each jurisdiction has authority over law enforcement within its own territory? Should the Lafayette Parish Sheriff be involved in assisting other law enforcement departments throughout the parish? And is there the potential for unifying services to maximize efficiency and effectiveness?
There is a potential for consolidating police service. It's been done in other jurisdictions. I think as Lafayette continues to grow, that's something that the parish government will have to look at. It's only through our elected city parish government representatives that such a move could be made. What we also have to consider is the sheriff's department is not civil service. The municipalities are civil service, Lafayette PD being the biggest one. Those officers have a vested property interest in their civil service status. So taking such a step would take a long time. It would involve a lot of constitutional challenges by the stakeholders that are members of those various departments. And it's only through what I believe to be, if we saw a definite benefit, if an exploratory committee was formed, and there is historical context for this question. This has been looked at before by past elected officials, and I think it always bears looking at again in the future. I won't take an absolute position that it is a good thing or a bad thing. Our society, let's look back 15, 20 years at the Lafayette 20 years ago and look at where we are now. How many people have been in Lafayette? How many families do y'all know who've been here less than 10 years, less than 5 years? We have a great community here. We're at the heart of an economic boom right here in the middle of Acadiana. We are the hub city. So we're actually the hub parish. And we can't close our minds to any alternative. We're the leader, as I see it, in Acadiana. And so as a leader, we need to be open to change. We need to be open to looking at what's best and leading by example. So in the future, that may be the best thing to do. It's been done in other parts of the country. It's not a difficult thing to go and look and see what worked over there. Did it work well for you? Did it not work well for you? I don't think that it's worked so well in the parish next door, but there's different reasons for that. I've got the background to explore that successfully. As a practicing attorney, as having been an assistant district attorney here in Lafayette for almost 7 years, I'm intimately familiar with each agency in this parish. I'm familiar with their investigative product. I'm familiar with their personnel. I know their strengths and weaknesses. So if that does come to fruition, I'll be in a position to lead that discussion and to facilitate it, not only from an operational standpoint, but also from a financial standpoint. Because remember what I told you, I'm a business-oriented guy. I'm going to make decisions based on what's best for the taxpayers at the end of the day. Thank you very much.